This is Gas Laws Lecture number 2, Charles Law. When we're talking about Charles Law, we're talking about the relationship between the volume and the temperature of a gas at constant pressure. Okay, so Charles Law says that the volume and the temperature are directly proportional when the pressure is held constant. Pressure is an easy variable to hold constant because we live in a world of constant pressure. The air pressure on us at sea level is 1 atmosphere, and so we have a constant pressure there, and we can see the relationship between volume and temperature. Everybody knows if we heat up the air in a hot air balloon, the balloon expands and then it begins to rise because of the low density of the particles. So we kind of know the relationship between volume and temperature, but it is directly proportional. Our useful form of this is going to be V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. So as we raise the temperature, the volume is going to be raised a proportional amount. Now, one thing we have to be aware of is that our temperatures are always absolute temperature. So we're going to use Kelvin temperature rather than Celsius. You know 273.15 is the conversion factor to change Celsius temperatures into Kelvin temperatures. So if we have a balloon and it has a volume of 5 liters at 25 degrees Celsius, then we can ask what would be the volume of the balloon at 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can see it looks like we're doubling the temperature, but we're really not because our temperature relationship is based on Kelvin, not on Celsius. So we're going to create our variable list. V1 is 5 liters. T1 is going to be 273 plus 25, which is 298 K. V2 is our unknown. T2 is going to be 273 plus 50, and that's going to be 50 to 2 sig figs. So we'll have 323 K. Now if we plug this into our equation, we can see the real effect on the volume. V1 is 5 liters. T1 is 298 K. That equals V2 over 323 K. Multiply both sides by 323 to eliminate it over here. Multiply by 323. And our second volume is going to be 5.4 liters. Gas laws should all make sense. If I raise the temperature of the gas, the volume must expand. We all know that from real life. So in conclusion, the volume and the temperature of a gas are directly proportional when at constant pressure. That is Charles' law.